Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a traveler's notebook spread for my Life Crafted album. So these are just the templates that I usually use so that it's the size outside the page protector. And I wanted to do it this way rather than in a traveler's notebook just because I had 4 photos I definitely wanted to use. So we are telling the story of Valentina and her first dance recital. And I've picked out these 2 papers, and literally, you guys, like, this is from the Maggie Holmes Gather collection, and it's ballerinas on pink blush paper. Like, this has been in my stash for a while. Does it say the year this was manufactured? 2016. So I've had this for 6 years. And I've never used it, and this is perfection for her little dance number, because here's her little tutu outfit and everything. That's her first one. So I have to use this paper. Like, I was thumbing through everything because I have moved. I am in my new house. My desk is set up and most of my supplies are unpacked. So, you know, you go through your stuff like once or twice because you're unboxing it, and I was flipping through it and just having some fun and found it. Like, serendipity moment, serendipity. And so I printed them on black and white only because this like step repeat little backdrop was like a bright royal blue, and it was just a harsh color to work with. So I made everything black and white. Her outfit was black and white already, so that worked out fine. So I'm thinking of making this side, you know, the left side, and then the blush pink, the plain, on this side, and kind of doing, you know, it's not an original layout, but, you know, having all 4 photos on this side. I'm just walking you through it. I have my journaling and kind of do the whole list thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and I have my journaling printed out. And now I'm just toying between a title of being too cute from this one, just so that it's gray and not so harsh. Or I do like this one, Oh Happy Day, but this is like a blush pink thicker set. It's called Lovely, and I'm just afraid that it might match the paper too much and you won't be able to see it. So I might be leaning towards this. So let's get started. I have really been enjoying working in this Life Crafted album. The size required, or the size dimensions of this, is just slightly wider than an actual traveler's notebook. And for the longest time, I'll admit, like, I'd never worked in a traveler's notebook because I just thought the size was so limiting, and I was so used to doing 12 by 12 that the idea of working on like a 4 by 8 was just like not able in my thinking. But now, after doing it this year, it's really a comfortable size to work in, especially for, not to say doing quick projects. I don't want to say that they're quick, but they let you get stories told faster because you don't have to do as an elaborate layout or as many details. Like, sometimes this has forced me to think of more simplistic approaches, which really helps to tell more stories and get your life documented quicker because you don't get stalled by like creativity blocks and stuff, if you know what I mean. So even something like this, I only was able you know, print 1 4 by 6 photo, but I actually got 4 little photos out of it. And so these are the things that I sort of learned to appreciate doing this project, and it's been fantastic. So here I am trying to audition out the numbers. As you can see, I have a few sets of numbers in different sizes and thicknesses, and that first set just felt a little too tall for my journaling, because I did do my journaling, I want to say it's like 1 inch by 2.5 inches. So I auditioned about 3 different sets, and I end up going with an alpha called Felt Marker, I think it's called, from Close to My Heart. This is a stamp set that I recently, I don't know if I hauled it, but I purchased it. And here's what I learned about stamping on this like peachy, blushy paper, was that it wasn't smooth. And with it not being smooth, the stamp impressions are not perfect, which is, again, okay. It's not a completely bad thing, but I just knew as soon as I did number 1, I was just going to be like, ugh. I was like, okay, yeah, the paper is textured, bummer. So it's not crisp, but like as you see it here at this angle, you really can't see the imperfections, which is fine. but the size is what mattered most to me here. That way it fit comfortably, because you saw how I also did the little strip of ballerinas on the bottom. That worked out perfectly too. That was serendipity. So here I am just going through a few, because then I needed embellishments because I was running out. This is a pack from Paige Evans, and I tucked a few underneath it, and it worked out perfectly. Okay, so this one's all done. Now I kept the embellishments simple because also I didn't have like anything that I felt was themey enough, and I don't know. So I just found some peachy colored flowers from a Paige Evans. This is Bungalow Lane collection that I had, and I pulled out some Maggie Holmes, but these worked fine. They were like pastel-y and cute, so I added 1, 2, 3 to my page. The stamping isn't perfect with that marker looking one, but it is what it is right now. And I did do my journaling on the clear sticker paper and added the strip on the bottom for the ballerinas. Kept it simple, but told the story. So cute. Loved her performance. She did so well, and I'm so proud of her. So please subscribe if you haven't done so, but give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.